Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to today's English lesson. Today we are going to learn about nouns and their types. Let's begin. A noun is the name of a person, place, animal, thing, or idea. Examples: boy, school, dog, book, love. These are all nouns. A common noun is a general name. Examples: boy, girl, school, dog. A proper noun is a special name and always begins with a capital letter. Examples: John, Mary, Nigeria, Monday. A collective noun names a group. Examples: family, team, flock. An abstract noun names a feeling or idea. Examples: love, happiness, kindness, peace. A concrete noun is something you can see or touch. Examples: apple, chair, pencil. A countable noun can be counted. Examples: 1 book, 2 books, 3 books. An uncountable noun cannot be counted one by one. Examples: water, milk, rice. A singular noun means one. A plural noun means more than one. Examples: cat, cats, book, books. Let's review. Common noun, general name. Proper noun, special name. Collective noun, group name. Abstract noun, feeling or idea. Concrete noun, can be seen or touched. Countable noun, can be counted. Uncountable noun, cannot be counted. Singular noun, one. Plural noun, more than one. Great job, everyone. Now you know about nouns and their types. Keep learning, keep reading, and keep smiling. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.